Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Today is Thankful Thursday. It is November 24th, 2022, and it is day 326 of Multiple Sclerosis, My Daily Diary. Guys, I'm not going to spend a lot of time today talking about symptoms. I'm actually going to give my word of thanks. What am I thankful for? I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my friends. I am thankful for my followers because I think of you guys as friends as well. I am thankful for all the things that God has done for me this year and that He continues to do for me. I'm thankful for Him putting in front of me the things that I need to talk about on my channel. He's also providing me with things that I need to do to further educate people with regards to multiple sclerosis, fitness, eating healthy, just loving on everybody. I am so thankful for God. I'm thankful for Him. I am thankful for everything that He continues to do. And I just cannot say thank you enough for all that you do. I hope you guys had a wonderful, amazing Thanksgiving. I hope that you were fed well, that you were warm, you were safe, and you were comforted and covered by your family and friends, such as I was. So I am so thankful for those things. Thank you, Lord, for everything that you continue to do. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you are notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, I have membership. Take a look at the perks. If it's something you would like to be involved with, please make sure you smash the join button to become a member. I would really appreciate it. Also, I have an ebook. It is linked in the description box. 25% of the proceeds will go to the National Multiple Sclerosis Society to further help with research and to help those that are in need of help that are dealing with multiple sclerosis daily. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. I have MS, but MS don't have me. I walk the walk and I am blessed. I walk the walk and I am blessed. Have a wonderful evening and I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. It's time for me to go have a second piece of pie. God bless you. See you. Bye.